I managed to break the propellers on the DJI Mavic Mini. As you can see, on this propeller quite a bit got stuck off, and on the other also a little bit stuck off. And it happened in the forest, as you can see here. I hit some branches and it fell down. Luckily, DJI provides us with some propellers and screws with the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More package. Each plastic bag contains 4 propellers and 2 different propellers each. The difference between the 2 propellers is this little rays of plastic that you can see here. The other pair of propellers doesn't have that. So what you want to make sure is that you use the right propeller for the right motor. As you can see, on this propeller I have to use the one with erased plastic. So you just unscrew the propeller using the provided screwdriver. Then you take the new propeller and you make sure one last time that it is the correct one. Then you insert the screw into the new propeller. And you just screw it all the way in, and you screw it as much as you can by hand. And there it is. First propeller got replaced. Now to the second propeller. This one has just a little bit of damage, but I replace it because it makes a little bit of noise when it's damaged. So you also unscrew the propeller which is damaged. And then you put the screw back into the new propeller and screw it back onto the motor. There we go. The propellers are fixed now, and you can go and enjoy your flight. Thank you for watching.